everybody, it's Mrs. B from the New City Library. Today I want to share with you about woodpeckers that I've seen around my house and my neighborhood. There's one very colorful one that's called a red-bellied woodpecker, and he has a beautiful big red stripe right down the middle of his head, all the way down his neck. And he comes to my bird feeder a lot, and I hear him calling in the trees. So I have a couple little clips of video of him feeding at the bird feeder. And I have one of him where you can't see him, I don't think, but he's just calling from the tree that he's in. It's a very loud voice they have. And that's the red-bellied woodpecker. About a year ago, over at the library, I was hearing these little peeping noises when I would park my car in the parking lot, and I thought, what is that? And finally one day I investigated, and I found a tree with a perfectly round hole in it that had a woodpecker nest. There was a hairy woodpecker mother feeding her chicks in that little hole, perfectly round, in a dead tree in the parking lot, next to the parking lot in the back of the library. So I have films of those two things. Those baby woodpeckers are long gone from last year. They grew up and flew away long ago. Hi, Coco, my puppy's visiting me. And just remember, if you ever do come across a nest of any animal, a bird or a rabbit or a squirrel, anything, just leave it alone, because you don't want to disturb the animals and scare them or harm them in any way. It's just better to look. All right, I hope you enjoy the films. See you next time.